First of all, Turkey is pretty close to the EU. We can almost deliver on a daily basis out of Turkey into the EU everywhere. We can easily deliver into the US because Turkey is having trade contracts with the US without any tariffs and customs. No problem with that. Why Istanbul? The sea freight harbor is in front of our front door. So we can go basically from the production plant on the truck and in half hour directly on the ship. That gives us a competitive advantage. The look of the plant is almost the same like we have in Shanghai. They have got the same training program. So may it be Shanghai or may it be Istanbul, it's the same. It's just another region of the world. We are delivering the same service and the same quality. We started with the first production line in the Turkish plant already back in February this year with local domestic Turkish projects for local domestic Turkish customers. Now we are going for European. We are going to go for the export projects overseas, America's projects afterwards. Quality control processes are not any different from elsewhere in the world. We have a centralized set of quality tools, which is pretty much oriented on automotive tool world, which is documented, which is described in multiple languages, which applies to our logistics departments, to our quality departments, to all of our production plants in Turkey, in China, and in the upcoming plant in Vietnam as well. And wherever we're going to build a future production facility, those rules will always apply. We will never level down the quality standard to the need of a separate country somewhere in the world. We will always have the best available standard for the whole Schletter Group worldwide.